In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with contra entries in Xero 5 minutes. A contra entry is when you offset what a customer owes you against what you owe them. So only the net amount moves through your bank. In Xero, we'll capture that bank line cleanly and park the balance to suspense so it can be cleared against the related invoices and bills. Start by opening Xero and signing in. Click Login, enter your usual credentials, and complete sign in as you normally do. Once you're in, head to the dashboard. This is your home base, and it's where you'll jump into your bank reconciliation. On the dashboard, click Reconcile Items for the bank account where the contra movement appears. You're looking for the specific bank statement line that represents the netted payment or receipt. If you're unsure which line it is, check the date and amount against your agreement with the contact or any remittance they provided. Select the transaction to open the coding panel. In the Who field, type the contact's name and select it from your list. Use the same contact that appears on both your sales and purchase activity with them. This keeps your reporting tidy and makes it easier to follow the audit trail later. In the What field, choose the suspense account. We're using suspense here as a temporary holding code. This is a common approach for contra entries because the bank has moved a net figure, but you still need to settle the underlying invoices and bills internally. If your organization uses a different clearing account for contras, follow your internal policy, but for this walkthrough, we'll select suspense. Next, in the Why field, type contra. Add any brief details that help you recognize the transaction later, like a note about the period or a reference number. Clear descriptions save time when you or your accountant review the ledger. When you're happy with the details, click OK to reconcile. That's it for the bank side. You've now recorded the net movement to suspense and tagged it to the correct contact. From here, your accounting process will typically clear the suspense balance by allocating it against the matching invoices and bills, ensuring sales and purchases are fully settled without duplicating cash movements. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make sure the amount coded to suspense matches the exact net on the bank line, and keep your contact spelling consistent so searches find the right record. If your organization tracks regions or projects, confirm the appropriate tracking options before you click OK. And that's how to deal with contra entries in Xero efficiently and accurately.